Hey food enthusiasts, ever wondered what tantalizes the taste buds of Barbadians on their streets? Let's find out. Barbados, a Caribbean paradise, is home to a rich and vibrant street food culture that is as diverse as its people. A stroll down any Bajan street is a gastronomic adventure, with the intoxicating aroma of traditional fare wafting through the air. One popular street food item you'll likely encounter is the delectable Bajan fish cake, a deep-fried ball of dough filled with fresh, local fish. Another beloved dish is pudding and sauce, a savory duo of pickled pork and sweet potato pudding. But the beauty of Bajan cuisine doesn't stop at the island's borders. Places like Bajan Kitchen in Toronto are bringing these mouth-watering Barbadian delicacies to the world. So next time you're in Barbados or at a Bajan Kitchen, do give these street foods a try. Now, if you're in the mood for something more lavish, Barbados won't disappoint you. This tropical paradise is home to a plethora of fine dining options that beautifully blend the island's rich culinary heritage with global gastronomical trends. A local YouTuber, Chazine, has generously shared her favorite Barbadian restaurants, which we're thrilled to explore with you today. Let's start with The Cliff, a culinary institution in Barbados. This upscale restaurant is known for its exquisite cuisine, elegant ambiance, and breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea. Here you can indulge in a variety of dishes, from succulent seafood to perfectly cooked steaks, all prepared with a unique Bajan twist. Next on our list is Sin Chin by the Sea, a modern chic restaurant that offers a fusion of Caribbean and Mediterranean flavors. With its stunning oceanfront setting and exciting menu, it's no wonder Chazine recommends this spot for a memorable dining experience. If you're a fan of Asian cuisine, Zen at the Crane Resort should be on your radar. This restaurant serves an impressive selection of Japanese and Thai dishes, all in a serene, Oriental-inspired setting. And let's not forget the Lone Star, a converted garage that has evolved into one of the island's most sought-after dining destinations. Here you'll find a delightful fusion of Italian fare with Caribbean flavors. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or just want to pamper your taste buds, these Barbadian restaurants are worth a visit. Surrounded by water, Barbados is a seafood lover's paradise. This Caribbean gem offers an abundance of sea-to-table delights, with dishes as diverse as the island's vibrant culture. One of the most iconic seafood dishes of Barbados is the national dish itself, flying fish and cuckoo. The flying fish, seasoned to perfection and either steamed or fried, is served alongside cuckoo, a creamy concoction of cornmeal and okra. This dish is a perfect blend of flavors that reflects the island's rich heritage. But the seafood extravaganza doesn't stop there. Barbados boasts a variety of other seafood cuisines, from grilled lobster and shrimp to saltfish and crab. Whether you're a fan of the classics or eager to try something new, there's a dish to satisfy every palate. And the best part? You can enjoy these delicacies in a variety of settings, from upscale restaurants offering gourmet seafood dishes to casual beach shacks serving fresh catches of the day. The options are endless. Imagine savoring a plate of fresh grilled lobster as you watch the sunset over the Caribbean Sea, or biting into a crispy fish sandwich while your feet sink into the warm sands of a Bajan beach. So, seafood enthusiasts, make sure to have these dishes on your list when you visit Barbados. And that concludes our culinary journey of Barbados. It's been quite a ride, hasn't it? We kicked things off with the vibrant street food scene, where we discovered that the soul of Barbadian cuisine is as much in the bustling food stalls as it is in the high-end restaurants. Then, we dove into the world of fine dining, a realm where local ingredients meet international influences to create a fusion of flavors that's nothing short of spectacular. Finally, we plunged into the heart of the island's seafood offerings, a testament to Barbados's rich marine life and the creative genius of its chefs. We've seen how Barbadian cuisine is a beautiful marriage of the land and sea, a testament to the island's rich cultural heritage and its dynamic culinary scene. If you enjoyed this taste of Barbados, remember to click the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more culinary journeys. Until next time, keep exploring and keep tasting.